Good morning, everybody. My name is Dutch, and I'm going to be doing some unboxings for you today. I have Zilla with me. She is being a little grumpy today. She's my baby iguana. But anyways, I get these every month. They're pretty cool. They're personalized to you. You have to fill out a whole survey and send you some stuff. The site's called Boxuchan if you do want to go check it out. You get this art. I picked this art, the thug art, but you can also pick a girly theme. It's kind of pinkish and girlish. It's pretty cool too. But I'm a biker. I'm a thug, so I chose this one. So pretty much you do the survey, and there's a whole bunch of questions about what kind of non-anime items you like, anime items, what kind of anime you like, seasons, how long, how short you like them. If you like movies, not DVDs, Blu-rays, you can get video games, trading cards, t-shirts, figures, all types of stuff. This is my 4th month getting these. I've just been busy and I haven't been on YouTube for a while, and my old YouTube account got deleted, so I'm restarting everything. Anyways, let's get going. Say bye-bye to Zilla. She's going back into her home because I don't want to work around a knife with her. And she can get a little feisty if I'm not giving her enough attention. But anyways, let me put her back. And then let's start opening. I think this is my monthly box right here. I have an extra one because I traded in some animes. You can talk to him. It's 4 completes, I believe. And then he sends you a whole box. I traded in a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm expecting a whole bunch of cool stuff from him. Though he really does do a great cutting job. Everything is personalized, like I said. He does make these specialized to everything. Tells you everything you have in a little breakdown. But I'm not gonna look at it. This is what I got. Vexel. It's a DVD. Never seen it, but I heard it's cool. It's good. There's 2 tiers. I got the more expensive one. I get it every month, where you get 1 full season or 1 full anime or something like that, and something else. So that's my full anime or a season, and this is my my volume or DVD. And I also picked figures. I got this. Pretty cool. You don't get figures every time, but I mix it up. He sends you at least something, so it's pretty good. Now let's open this one. This is what I got for, I believe, you could have mixed them up, but I don't know. But I believe this is the one I got for my trade-ins. I took off the packages for the top so nobody could see my address. Again, another personalized pamphlet. Another figure from Hero Academy. It's one of the few mainstreams I like. I'm not a big fan of mainstream anime. But we'll see what we got. I got Champione. I really like this. Don't own it, but it's a really good anime. I got this. Solid Woman Academy. Yeah, this is the one I triggered because this is a full season or a full complete collection. So is this one. Normally you get 1. Then there's this one that's same thing, 13 episodes. So I'm pretty sure this one was it. Hellsing. And then I got Brawly. Not a big fan of Dragon Ball Z. I probably will not watch this. I'll probably give it away or wait to send it back to him. I've never been a big fan of the Dragon Ball Z, Bleach, One Piece, or any of that. I just think they're overrated. But still pretty cool stuff. So hashtag, this is the stuff I got for trade-in, plus my little figure over here. And then for my monthly subscription, complete. A DVD, I'll probably watch that later. And then another figure. Probably set that up in a little bit too. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you do get it. This is again from Boxuchan. If you want to go look it out, check it out, see what's up. It's a pretty cool dude. Have a good day. Bye. Oh, I will be doing some Yu-Gi-Oh pack opening up soon. Hope you enjoy.